Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet 1012 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the YouTube description. In description, I give two links. First is the Mega link. Second is the Google Drive link. Go to any link that you want. I go to the Mega link. Mega link is open in my web browser. Here we find two links, 32-bit and 64-bit. You can separately download this link from here or download entire two links from here. I go to here and entire two links from the download as a zip. And it's downloading is started in few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to download to complete it. Our download is completed now. Go to the here top. Here top we find download. Click on show in a folder. Click on show in a folder. Minimize our website. Drag this file to desktop. Close it. Here we find zip file. We are going to unzip it. Right click on it. Go to the extract all. Click on extract all or go to the show more and click on extract files. Click on OK. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on it. In this folder, here we find new HP. Double click on it. Here we find 32-bit link and 64-bit link. 64-bit link is IMP for us. 32-bit is not important for us. Go to the 64-bit link. And here we find our drivers and we are going to install this driver manually. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Type printers and scanners. Click on printers and scanners. In printers and scanners, we find many options. Here we find option add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Here we find add a device. Click on add a device. It's refresh and new option is appear at this bottom of this add scanner. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add manually. Click on add manually. Minimize this. Here we find add a printer. Many option in this add printer. Here we find last option is IMP for us. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Click on the next. Port is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find any HP port, HP printer device, COM4 HP port, any .4 HP port, select find any HP port. If you not find any HP port, then next option is USB. Select USB 001, 002, 003. Select any USB port. If you not find HP port, select USB port. Click on the next. Go to the hard disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Select our printer or folder. Double click on folder. Double click on folder. Here go to the 64-bit because our machine is 64-bit. Windows 11 is always 64-bit. So go to the 64-bit. Here we find one file. Click at that file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find three files. Our file folder. Our printer name is 1012. So select HP LaserJet 1012 HB. Click on the next. You can give any name. I give the HP LaserJet 1012. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our printer is installed now. Here we find if you want to share this printer on network, select this option. If you don't want to share this printer, then click on do not share this printer. Click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on the printer test page or click on the finish. After that, go to the start and restart your machine. Restart your machine is IMP. Restart your machine. After machine is restart, we check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Here we find printers and scanners. Here we find our HP LaserJet 1012 printer is properly installed in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to install this printer. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.